Hey guys, Bricks100 here with another programming resource, and today I'm going to show you GitLab. Previously I have shown you GitHub, today I'm showing you GitLab. They are similar but not quite the same. So with GitLab, it's similar to GitHub in the way that you can host your own repositories directly on the site. Something special about GitLab though is they provide software that allows you to run your own web server on your own servers, or you could pay someone to host the server. And then it's like your own little private GitLab server that's not even linked to the main GitLab website. So that way you can put whatever security measures you want on it. You can modify it to do other things if you want to. Not entirely sure what you would modify it for, but you could. I know that my university uses GitLab for the engineering department, and one of the things that they did was they made it so that you can only use your engineering email with GitLab. That way only students could use it because it's accessible from outside the university, so they wanted to make sure that only engineering students could use the GitLab because no one else should be. So that's one way you could modify it. I'm sure there are many ways that you could modify it to fit your needs, but as you can see, there are a bunch of different GitLabs on here, and GitLab is just as useful or maybe more as GitHub. They both have their pros and cons, so just wanted to let you know that you're not limited to one website for hosting Git repositories. And in fact, next week I will be showing you another repository option. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like button down below. Till next time. Bye.